Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for beginners. To begin, Notion is a flexible workspace where you can organize notes, manage projects, and track tasks all in one place. First, sign up for a free account and create your personal workspace. The left sidebar helps you navigate between pages and sections. You can start with a blank page or choose from hundreds of pre-built templates to kickstart your organization. It's designed to be intuitive for everyone. Notion's core is built around pages and blocks. Think of a page as your canvas, where you can add any type of content. Blocks are the fundamental building blocks, like paragraphs, headings, images, or even embedded files. You can drag and drop blocks to rearrange your content easily. Databases are powerful tools for structured information, letting you view data as tables, boards, or calendars, making complex data simple to manage. Keeping your Notion workspace organized is key to productivity. You can link pages together, creating a web of interconnected information, which is incredibly useful for projects. Leverage Notion's extensive template gallery to quickly set up new pages with predefined structures, saving you valuable time. Nesting pages within others helps you categorize and manage information hierarchically, ensuring everything has its proper place and is easy to find. Notion offers many features to boost your productivity. You can easily share any page with others, allowing for real-time collaboration on documents or projects. Utilize database filters and sorts to quickly pinpoint specific information, saving you precious minutes. Notion also integrates with numerous other applications, creating a seamless workflow across your digital tools. These features help you work smarter, not harder, every single day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.